Hey guys, MyFICO versus Experian. Which is better? We are going to do the best credit repair software review, right? So, we're breaking down two of the biggest names in credit monitoring and repair, MyFICO and Experian. So, if you're looking to improve your credit score, apply for a loan, or simply, keep tabs on your financial health, you've probably come across both of these services, but which one is the better choice? Let's dive in. Now, let's understand MyFICO and Experian. What is this exactly? What's going on, right? MyFICO is the official credit monitoring service of FICO, the company that developed the FICO score, the gold standard in credit scoring. MyFICO basically, provides access to the FICO scores from all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Okay, that's a huge advantage because lenders typically rely on FICO scores when making lending decisions. On the other hand, Experian is one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States. Unlike MyFICO, which is primarily a credit monitoring tool, Experian not only tracks credit scores but also reports credit data to lenders. They also offer unique features like, Experian Boost, and which just, can help raise your score by including utility and phone bill payments in your credit history. Now let's compare these services in five key areas. One is credit score accuracy. So if you're applying for a loan, you want the most accurate credit score available. Now MyFICO, since MyFICO provides actual FICO scores from all three credit bureaus, it's the closest you can get to the score lenders will actually see. It also includes industry-specific scores like those used for mortgages and auto loans. Okay? And Experian provides its own credit score as well as FICO score, but primarily focuses on data, you know, that it's just from more than just one bureau, right? Just one bureau, the Experian itself. This can be helpful, but it doesn't always show the full picture. So in this case, the winner would be MyFICO because it gives you the most lender relevant scores. Now, in terms of credit, monitoring and alerts, both services offer real-time alerts, but do they actually compare? Right? MyFICO provides updates whenever there's a change to your credit report from any of the three bureaus. You also get alerts if someone applies for credit in your name. Experian offers daily credit monitoring, but is primarily focused on your Experian-based credit data. However, it does provide fraud alerts and identity theft monitoring. In this case, also, MyFICO wins again since it monitors all three bureaus, not just Experian. Now, in terms of tools and features, let's talk about the extra tools each service provider provides, right? So MyFICO provides you a score simulator, which lets you see how financial decisions like paying off a credit card or applying for a loan might affect your score. And you get loan specific scores. So if you're buying a home or car, MyFICO gives you mortgage and auto loan credit scores, which is super helpful. And also helps you track your credit score changes over time, historical data. With Experian Boost, right? You get this unique feature that lets you add payments for utilities, streaming services, and phone bills to your credit history, potentially boosting your score instantly, right? And also you get, free credit report. Unlike MyFICO, Experian offers you a free credit report each year as mandated by law. And you get a Vantage score access. In addition to FICO, you can track your Vantage score, which some lenders also use. So in this case, I would say it is a tie. MyFICO is better for credit analysis and simulations, but Experian Boost is game changer for people looking to increase their scores, quickly. Now, let's go over ease of use. Both platforms have mobile apps, website that lets you track your credit on the go. But I would say Experian is better in this case because it's more beginner friendly and has a smoother user experience. And in terms of pricing, MyFICO, the basic plan, starts at $19.95 a month, single bureau. Advanced plan, $29.95 a month. And this is 3 bureaus, quarterly updates. And if you take the Premier plan, you get it for $39.95 a month. You get 3 bureaus, monthly updates. And Experian, well, it has a free plan. It includes Experian credit score and report. The premium plans at $19.99 a month, you get full credit monitoring and identity protection. In this case, hands down, Experian is a winner because it offers a free option and more affordable paid plans. So which one should you choose? Okay, it depends on your needs. If you're applying for a major loan mortgage, auto loan, go for MyFICO. If you want a free, easy-to-use credit monitoring service, go with Experian. If you're focused on identity protection, Experian is a better choice. If you want to track changes and simulate future score impacts, MyFICO wins, right? So both services are great, but they serve different purposes. Let me know which one would you be choosing for your needs and why. So until next time, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.